money. You know, so the money I gonna make me start strip. Me just I go strip and done. Because me I try to live a godly life and it now work out. You understand? I might as well go on OnlyFans and start dress like a soldier. And do some fetish things and start make money. Come here, try to walk the straight and narrow road, but it now here. Just remember that. Yeah. Oh, God knows me try to live a good life. Yes, every day. Yes. Yes, because you're going like the sergeant, the head one in the army. You call me to a fucking attention. You call me to attention. Yes, sir, you dog shit. When you gonna pay me? Yes, bitch. When you have a blood clot, pay me. Take off this blood clot wig. When you have to pay me dog shit, eh? So suppose me come to your military style now and back up your blood clot. What you gonna do? What the fuck you gonna do? Me tell you, say the man fetish, bad. He want me to come and sting and to be his greatest fantasy. If you want me to be your fantasy, dial my bomber clot number and make me give you a private show now. Me sure say you will blood clot pay me more. You understand? Or what kind of fetish fantasy you have every day? Eh? Where you are going to sit down in the chair? You want me to sit down on top of you? Or you going to sit on top of me? Tell me dirty mouth every day. Me have to go find out what kind of dance you want. Or with the music, we need some music. What kind of dance you want every day? So something like this you want me to go on with? And then the footer I did for bring one thing there. For me bring on stage. My knife did feel like this a pocket here. And you know did for bring the coffin for frighten the Queenie. Well, the thing about it every day, when I thought about it, for so many years, I've been mother and father to my children. With no father around, guess what? I had to be that man in the family. To bring on that manly persona, me shave off my ear. Wear pants every day and get up and hustle and bustle so that my children them may survive in this country. But when I was going to sting dog shit, I decided I did not want to look like this. I wanted to look feminine. For too long, call we down, write songs, put out songs, and make female feel and look like nothing. Pure dirty song. Make the artists them sing about with punani and sing about what them do to we. I wanted to step out as a woman. And even if me have to pay for my wig, I felt feminine. Yes, bitch. Feminine. I was not ashamed when Queenie took off my wig because 99.9% of us that was in the crowd as females were wearing wigs. Yes, dog shit. And you know why we have to be wearing wigs? Because nowadays these men want free up and then don't have no money for we get we hair done. And number two, we fret and we worry because we're pitting on nothing to eat, then on no money to go to school, so we ear stop grow. We ear now grow like one time every day. And I like back in the days when you breed everybody daughter. and have up this bunch of pitney and then walk and give this a yard of money. One thing with him in mind in pitney then do. Go at this a yard drop off something. Go at that the yard drop off something. Things and times have changed. So yes, every day my ear don't grow no more. Me have to raise 13 pitney. You know him say I'm rob a mother with 13 pitney. We are try to make our dreams come true. You know shame? All these years me sit down with me pitney them every day. And raise them. You understand? I know me just want to be me. I know me just want my dreams come true for be dancehall queen 2023. Why you fuck with my dreams? Why you fuck with my dreams every day? You make me want to walk out of dancehall. Why you fuck with my dreams? I had a dream just like Martin Luther King. So, where you say, a mother mustn't have a dream. She should just have her pitney them and make them suck out her breast till them long down. And send them to school for go turn teacher and doctor and pilot. But she must have a dream. She must have a dream where she wants to see come true. I'm 53 years old every day. And I still believe in that dream for be dancehall queen. Why you don't pay me every day? Why? Me come and sing with me period. Me never make it stop me. But thank God you don't have a period every day. Thank God you don't feel a belly pain for bring forth a child. You don't know how it feels. So you can just sit back. Thank God you don't understand what it takes to reach things. All you have to do is just throw on your frowns in marina from the day before. Me and my goodies, For number one queen, she have to go do shoplifting. I'm proud of it too. Me and my goodies, some of we buy clothes and we want to make sure it's not soil because we want to make sure we're able to bring it back next week. And nowadays, Walmart, one time, you could have keep the receipt, put it in a one little jar, and after sting, you go for the receipt and bring back the things. You can't do that no more because they make sure say the receipt rub out every day. So we have to think about another hustling. We have to call up with ex-man. And him say him not give we nothing unless we give him some diggings. We have to turn around backwards and give it to him every day. Yeah. Just for blood clot reach a sting. Every day. We never fuck with coolie like you. And bring forth pretty ear pitney. My mother, she sleep with a Negro man. And so me have to buy the wig. Cause the ear underneath nappy. Me couldn't turn up like that a sting. And although you turn up there, my queenie, take off my wig. Me have to make sure, say me get it back. Because it costs a lot. That's why me did sit down there afraid. Me afraid pan me wig and I wait for my daughter bring it back. Yes, every day. Me come and sting with my problems. Tormented. Very tormented. That's me see a woman in a wedding dress and me lose it. Why every day? Because enough of your breed. And you never put a ring on it. You go put a ring on somebody else's woman. We don't ever want you. We only want what you have. You understand? Nobody no married we and put we in a big house and give a good life. I didn't want to send a message to my fans, across a message to them, make them feel like they are nobody unless them get a wedding ring or wear a wedding dress. So me take it off. Because you see, out here on these streets every day, Enough girl in a Jamaica prettier than me. And them don't have a ring on it. I'm not gonna make nobody diss them. Some of we have 5, 6 pitney man and then don't put a ring on it. Some of them say them can't afford it. Some of them say them not ready for married. Some of them will wake up one morning and hear say them married a instead. And guess what now? We see them one dress them and don't know say them a go to them own wedding. You think a little woman at Jamaica dress up man? We say them a go funeral? Only for years say the man get married? So me if I come at Jamaica and what? Smile a while and go on like life sweet when the people them a suffer? We no call we, most of we don't you no call we common law wife. But I not just say no man no want we. Yes, every day me take off the wedding dress and you decide not to pay me. You know why every day? A whole heap of reason why me take off that wedding dress. Whole heap of reason. Whole heap of reason. A part of me hurt, but me still have to remain comical. And that's exactly how I felt and sting. A part of me hurt because me I try to show the people them something but them not seeing it. Out of the whole heap of people them were in the crowd, I don't think 20% of them married. Luckily Queenie find a man 20 years younger than she. And all are we blessed like that. Me did hear say the industry fucked up enough, but I know me I feel it. And me not gonna judge the industry. Let's say I'm right. I came to sting and I fight and I did one song. So that gives Sting all the reason to send me back home without a dime. Okay, you're right. You're right. I'm not going to say you're wrong, you know. You're right. But I hope and pray that God will bless me. The last time somebody steal 20,000 for me, I go on my bed and the Lord tell me to walk away. I call them and I tell them, say, yeah, just forget it. You don't want to know what was the outcome. You see, after me surrender, God took care of that. Be careful what you're doing. Better you didn't make it stay right here, so between me and you, more than for reach up there, so. Anytime Amari say, okay, it's all right, at that time you feel fret. Remember me tell you that. Because I don't understand. Oh, more sign of promoter at Jamaica, more sign of businessmen love to buy Onani. And a person, a single mom, stepping out, want to make an honest living. You think some more that go past thing and fight if it never fine with you know? I go for the want to go for the interview, show you the interview where the man a laugh about the fight. And the man a say Amari and Queenie bring the excitement to Sting. You understand? Basically, this is what I'm saying. A lot of people came out to see Amari. To see Amari. See. Just my presence there is a lot. To see Amari. The man is wicked, you know. I true me just do a live and tired me not tell about your bomber clot. But if you think say I call you want to call me down for back off, you know. No, me not back.